Dear students, welcome back. Welcome back to the second part of the lesson, Boli. In the previous part, you got an idea about the character and family background of Boli. Let us recap the important points. Boli or Sulekha was the youngest daughter of Nambadar Ramlal. When she was 10 months old, an accident made her a backward child. She had pock marks on her body due to the attack of smallpox. She spoke first time when she was 5 years old and she always stammers. Parents did not care for her. This is what we discussed in the last part. We will discuss the remaining part of the lesson in this video. Watch the video carefully. They were good looking, healthy girls and it was not difficult to find bridegrooms for them. But Ramlal was worried about Boli. She had neither good looks nor intelligence. All of them were healthy and beautiful girls except Boli. They were good looking, healthy girls. As all of them were healthy and beautiful girls, it was not difficult to marry them off. It was not difficult to find bridegrooms for them because they were good looking and healthy girls. But Ramlal was worried about Boli. The main concern for Ramlal was Boli. Ramlal was worried about Boli because she had neither good looks nor intelligence, because she was not beautiful and intelligent. Boli was 7 years old when Mangla was married. The same year, a primary school for girls was opened in their village. The Tahsildar Sahib came to perform its opening ceremony. So Mangla also got married. Boli was 7 years old when her sister Mangla got married. And the same year, a primary school for girls was opened in the village. Same year, a primary school was opened in her village. A primary school for girls was opened. The Tahsildar visited to inaugurate the school. When Boli was 7 years old, a school for girls was opened in their village and it was inaugurated by the Tahsildar Sahib. He said to Ramlal, as a revenue official, you are the representative of the government in the village. And so you must set an example to the villagers. You must send your daughters to school. He asked Ramlal to send his daughters to school. He encouraged Ramlal to send his daughters to school. He encouraged him to do so because he was a revenue official. Ramlal was a revenue official. Ramlal has a high position in the society and he was the representative of the government in the village. So he should be a model. Then the others will follow it. He encouraged Ramlal to send his daughters to school because he was the revenue official and his act of sending his daughters to school would serve as an example for the villagers. And this would lead to the education of girls in the village. So Tahsildar encouraged him. That night, when Ramlal consulted his wife, she cried, "Are you crazy? If girls go to school, who will marry them?" But Ramlal had not the courage to disobey the Tahsildar. Tahsildar forced him to send the girls to school. He believed that it would be a good model for all the villagers. After hearing this, Ramlal discussed the matter with his wife. That night, Ramlal discussed this matter with his wife. Wife rejected that idea. Wife could not accept it. She said that it would become difficult for them to marry their educated daughters. Are you crazy? If girls go to school, who will marry them? So Ramlal was now double-minded. But he did not have the courage to disobey the Tahsildar. Ramlal's wife was against sending their girls to school. But Ramlal did not have the courage to disobey the Tahsildar's words. Ramlal could not take a proper decision. He was double-minded. He could not disobey the Tahsildar And on the other hand, he felt that his wife was also right. At last, wife found a solution. She suggested an idea. At last, his wife said, I will tell you what to do. Send Boli to school. As it is, there is little chance of her getting married with her ugly face and lack of sense. Let the teachers at school worry about her. This was the suggestion by his wife. In order to solve the problem, his wife suggested to send Boli to school. Because anyway, there is a negligible chance for Boli to get married. She believed that Boli would never get married because of her ugly face and lack of sense. She said, there is little chance of her getting married with her ugly face and lack of sense. So, we can send Boli to school. You send Boli to school. This is the only solution for the present problem. We can send Boli to school and the teachers at school would worry about her. Anyway, there is no chance for her to get married. So the better option we can prefer is send Boli to school. Finally, Ramlal's wife made a suggestion. The next day, Ramlal caught Boli by the hand and said, come with me, I will take you to school. Boli was frightened. She did not know what a school was like. The next morning, Ramlal took Boli to school. He caught her hands. He told her, come with me, I will take you to school. I am going to take you to school. Boli was frightened because she did not know what a school was like. Boli was afraid of going to school as she was not aware of what school was. She had no idea about a school. So she was frightened. But Ramlal had taken a firm decision to take the child to school. So he forced her to go to school. The child was frightened. The next day, Ramlal caught Boli by the hand and said, come with me, I will take you to school. Boli was frightened. She did not know what a school was like. She remembered how a few days ago their old cow, Lakshmi, had been turned out of the house and sold. No. She shouted in terror and pulled her hand away from her father's grip. Boli got frightened. Boli got scared. And Boli reminded that a few days ago their cow Lakshmi had been sent out of the house. And father got money in return for it. A few days ago her father had sold their cow Lakshmi. Now father says her to go to school. A few days ago her old cow Lakshmi also went to some other place. So she got worried. And she stammered, no. She shouted in terror and pulled her hand away from her father's grip. She thought that she is also going to face the same fate of the cow who was sold last day. She thought that she would be sold like Lakshmi. So she pulled her hand away from her father's hand. She tried to escape. What is the matter with you, you fool? Shouted Ramlal. I am only taking you to school. Then he told his wife, let her wear some decent clothes today, or else what will the teachers and other school girls think of us when they see her? Ramlal got angry. Boli's father got irritated with her behavior and he shouted that he was taking her to school. I am only taking you to school. I am taking you to school. Then he told his wife, let her wear some decent clothes today. He told his wife to dress her up because he didn't want others to think bad of them. Let her wear some decent clothes today, or else what will the teachers and other school girls think of us when they see her? Boli's father told his wife to dress her up because he didn't want others to think ill of them. So it was for the first time Boli got clean clothes to wear, although it was her elder sister Champa's worn out dress. Students, today we are concluding here. I think you got an idea about the content of the lesson. If you have any doubt, you can clarify it with me. Complete the given homework and send it in the group. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.